Okay, so you create a file with your first name hyphen last name, right?
I'm sorry, how do we do that?
In Visual Studio Code, file, new file. First thing you have to have done, have you done the git pull?
Yes.
In the terminal? And so do you now have the people folder? You should see a people folder. Right? So if you have a people folder, then create a new file, which is by going to File, New File, and save it as, right? And you can say File, Save As, your first name, all lowercase, hyphen last name, .js. Okay? And you do that. And then in that file, you say console.log first name space last name colon, and then you save the file, Control S or file save. Okay? Now, once you've saved the file, here in your terminal, and if you don't have the terminal open, go to View, Terminal. Here in your terminal, you say git add space and a dot. There's a space between add and dot. So it's git add period. You press enter. And then the next command is git commit -am, right? Added my name file. That's the next command. Git commit -am. -a is add remove. The M part is a message, which is what allows you to put a commit message here. Very, very important. Your commit message is critical. And you press enter, and you should see a message here that it's committed the file. And the final command is git push. And when you say git push, that should push your change to GitHub. So if I come here to GitHub now and I refresh, I see my file. So I'm expecting to see how many people's files there? A whole bunch.
Yinka, when I made a file in my name, it says untracked. And then when I try to do the git add you just did now, it says there is no command called git add. It says
no.
Git add not a, yeah. I did git space add space dot.
Period. Okay.
What's second command?
So after git add, what's the second command?
No, so git add space period. If you've done that and it says there are no untracked files, you may have already. So do git status. What does git status tell you?
It says your branch is up to date with origin/master. Changes to be committed.
Okay, so the file that you created, have you saved it?
Okay.
Make sure it's saved. If it's not saved, Git is not going to see anything to work on.
You mean the file that I created that is in my name?
Yes, make sure it is saved. File save.
What's the command for the commit?
Git commit. So right here, let me have that on the screen here. Git commit -am, and then your commit message.
Is there a space between that hyphen?
No, no space.
Oh, okay,
-am.
Yeah. Okay, that was my error there.
Yeah, these are the arguments for the commit.
Oh,
Oh, stop you.
And then git push. Once you commit, then you can push.
No, I got 2 sticks.
Okay.
So git commit.am.
No.
It doesn't like that.
Hyphen.
It's because I stuck you 2 times.
It's a hyphen, not a dot.
Because I stuck you once.
Okay,
Stuck
so
you again.
git.
Yes, but no, that's why it's smart. We're playing Pathfinder.
It's a
Because if I
hyphen,
stick you once,
not a
you
dot.
crap all away. Whereas any other legend, if I stick you once,
It's not liking that commit AM. It's not liking it. Telling me it's not a git command.
oh, you're using rate.
So your commit has to be double M.
That's what we're gonna do.
Make sure you spell
Wait,
it.
I'm not ready yet.
Okay, guess what? I had 3 M's.
Yeah.
So is git commit? What comes after commit?
It's right there on my screen. Hyphen AM. It's right here.
AM. Okay. Thank you. Space it.
And then in quotes, you have to have a commit message. So let me see. I'm going to see if anyone's gotten it through yet. No one? Really? Come on, guys.
I have an issue on my end. Basically, I think I'm using my work laptop, and it gave me a message saying that it automatically configured based on my username and host name. So, which is it basically said the committer was my work email versus my Yahoo email that I used. So I'm not sure, maybe that's why it didn't show.
Okay. So we can, yes, that's an issue that may need to be resolved.
After the commit, is it push?
Yes, after committing, then you push.
I just got
I'm waiting for the first one to show up.
Where my push is getting.
I am unable to.
This is a very lonely folder right now. I'm the only one in here.
You're going to have to do it all over again because I'm lost.
Unable to auto detect email address. That's what I have.
Yes, so you might have a configuration that you need to do.
I've got a photo repository. You can't find that. You can't find a repository.
Okay.
This is fun.
Okay. So we're out of time. I don't want to hold everyone up, but if you're good to spend another 15 minutes, then we can resolve this.
I have a strap if you successfully.
Right. So I don't know if anyone has a hard stop. If not, we can just resolve this. I'm good to spend another 15 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, I have global to threat identity only in this repository.
Okay. Let's.
Same as me.
Okay, so you need to do a config setup for that. On your screen, it tells you what to do, right? It should give you some information. Let me stop sharing so you share your screen.
Okay.
Okay. And then we'll use that to solve everyone's problem. All right. So please share.
I can see Terry.
I'm good. Oh.